Hey guys, and welcome back to the Laws of Physio YouTube page. Due to popular demand, I am going to show you the full glute exercise program that was related to the LG case. If you haven't seen that already, please check out the video in the description and learn a bit. So this program is focusing on blasting the glutes. I like to give this in early stages of lower back pain. And the focus today is just to get the glutes activating again in common patterns that you'd be performing every day. So in terms of the case I was prescribing this program, it was someone who was getting back pain while running. This first exercise is the Clam Exercise. So with a resistance band around my knees, slightly leaning forward, I'm just opening my knees while keeping my feet together. I like to keep my fingers around my glute area just so I can feel the muscle tensing as I perform this exercise. With this exercise, I'm performing 4 sets of 25 reps, making sure you're very comfortable as you do this. And the only place you should really feel the burn is in your glute area. As you guys can see from the video, I've been on that permabulk and I'm starting to develop some glute mass on the front of my stomach. So hit me up if you want some fresh muffins. As you can see, I'm struggling a little bit because of all that extra mass on my lungs and because this exercise actually hurts my glutes, not my back. That's the face of pain and pleasure at the same time. Shout out to the shirt, Buns of Steel. So the glute muscles activate when you extend your hip, which is bringing your foot from a forward position to behind you. They also abduct your hip, which is bringing your feet from the midline out to the side. And they also externally rotate. So think about turning your toes from parallel outwards. So opening up your toes a bit. So all these exercises are going to be focused on those 3 movements. And it's more of a mind muscle kind of thing. So if you're not really feeling it in your glutes, you're compensating somewhere else. God damn, am I really doing clams for it's been 4 minutes and 30 seconds. That's a very long time to be doing clams. But if you want your glutes to be super strong and active during your movements, make sure you do them. how have you been today? Have you had a good day? I hope that you've had a good day and that everything in your life is where it's meant to be right now. And if you didn't have a good day, take control of your life, work on your booty, and things will get better. So the next exercise that I would give is a circuit between a hip thrust and a box walk. So hip thrust, plant both your feet flat on the ground with your heels slightly wider than your hips, pushing through your heels and coming up and squeezing your glutes. After I do a couple of those, I like to do a box walk. So box walk is opening your feet slightly wider than your hips and just walking backwards and forwards. So these work your glutes because these are all hip extension movements and they work hip extension throughout the whole range. And by that I mean it works it eccentrically and concentrically. At the same time, because we are exaggerating the movement and we have a bit of resistance at our knees, it's forcing more of the glutes to activate. With these ones, I like to do about 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Keep in mind my glutes are on fire at the moment, and if you're doing this as well, yours should be on fire as well. So I like to keep these relatively easy so you can sit down later. How cute's the shirt, serious? I like to wear pants when I use these exercises because the resistance bands can rub on your skin and pull your leg hair, and the chafing is very uncomfortable. So even though I'm performing the exercise relatively quickly, you can kind of see that I'm squeezing my butt cheeks on every single rep of this hip thrust. So if you choose to perform this program, take as long as a break as you need. You don't need to do it back and forth and as a circuit similar to the way I'm doing it. I'm just doing it because that's the way I like it, and I like to feel the burn in my booty. I'm actually pretty sore today. So if you perform this circuit, it should take 10 minutes a day, and you don't need to do it all at once. You can kind of break it up throughout the day. And I find that this helps a lot of sedentary people, so people who sit for a long period of time. Helps with their back pain because it works your booty, and everyone likes booty. I know I do. So this is coming to the end of the video. If you like this kind of video, please let me know by leaving a comment or a like, and please subscribe if you want to see more of this kind of content. Thanks for spending some time with me. We'll catch you guys soon. Have an amazing day or night. Remember that Jesus loves you.